What's in there? Can you rip it open?
What you got, buddy?
Is that a book?
Oh, you know Minnie and Pappie got you this.
Look. Oh, you almost got it. Yeah. Oh, count with Panda. Oh, look, it's a panda bear. Oh,
Cool.
can you, what's behind the panda bear? Can you open it? It's got all sorts of things that pop up.
Mm-hmm.
Here, Cole, watch. Look, look, look. What's under here? You see? What's under there?
Is that a kitty
Is that
cat?
a kitty? Yeah. Let's see. Is there another one? Right here. What's under there? Sometimes you have to bend the page a little bit when they're new. There you go. Oh, I see. Are those eggs?
Eggs.
Eggs.
Be
And
gentle.
fish. Look, fish.
You gotta be gentle.
Cole loves pop-up books. These are so perfect.
You want to open this one, buddy?
Do you want to see what's in that one?
Here.
Get it started for him, Daddy.
I did.
Good job,
Open.
Cole. Keep going. What's inside there? What's inside?
It's perfect.
What'd you say? You open it.
Remember this one?
Oh my goodness.
It's perfect. Rip it, rip it.
Take the rest off. You got it. Oh, here, let me help you. Here you go. Look at that. It's EIOs. Cole, you got an EIO book.
What's that? Yeah.
It's a mama bath. That's right.
What's that one say?
Moo. That's right.
Yeah.
Moo. Woof woof. That's right, honey.
Wow. Hey,
Where-
what's that one?
Where's the rooster? That's a chicken. Where's the rooster? That's a chicken. There's
That
the
was a
rooster.
Chicken. Rooster. Where's the chicken?
That's the rooster. Let's see. Oh, Cole, where's the EIO? That's right.
Where's the horsey?
Can you push it? Good job.
Where's the owl? Nope, that's not an owl, buddy.
Is it right here? Is that the owl? Can you push it? Can you push the owl? Good job. Yeah, where'd that rooster go? Good job. Bah, that's right. Do you like it?
Do you like your book?
Yeah? Good.
Can you say thank you, Minnie and Pappie?
Can you say thank you?
Can you say thank you?
Good job.
just signed thank you to you guys.
So good. Thank you, baby.
Thank you.